Imagine two friends, both earn the same salary. 10 years later, one has savings, investments, and peace of mind. The other is still waiting for payday every month, same income, completely different lives. Why? Because getting rich isn't only about earning more, it's about avoiding the mistakes that quietly steal your money. Today, I'll show you 7 simple money mistakes that keep most people poor, even when their salary keeps increasing. Mistake number 1, lifestyle inflation. You get a raise. Instead of saving it, you buy a better phone, a better car, a bigger apartment. Soon your expenses become as big as your income. This is called lifestyle inflation. The more you earn, the more you spend. Instead, every time your income increases, save or invest part of that extra money first. Mistake number 2, thinking income means wealth. Many people think high salary means rich. It doesn't. Income is what you earn. Wealth is what you keep. Someone earning $50,000 but investing every month can become wealthier than someone earning $200,000 and spending almost all of it. Don't focus only on earning more, focus on keeping more. Mistake number 3, waiting to invest. Most people say, "I'll invest later." Later becomes next year, then 5 years, then 10 years. The biggest advantage in investing isn't being smart, it's starting early. The earlier you begin, the more time your money has to grow. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Start small. Just start. Mistake number 4, buying things to impress others. Have you ever wanted something just because other people had it? A new phone, designer shoes, a luxury car. The problem is, you're spending money to look rich instead of becoming rich. Real wealth is usually invisible. Expensive things don't make you wealthy. Good financial habits do. Mistake number 5, never learning about money. We spend years learning subjects in school, but almost nobody teaches us how money works, how to budget, how to invest, how to avoid debt. The good news? You can learn all of these skills. One good finance book or one useful video can save you thousands of dollars in the future. Mistake number 6, having no financial system. Many people just spend whatever is in their bank account. That's not a plan, that's guessing. Instead, create a simple system. Save first, spend later, invest every month. When good habits become automatic, building wealth becomes much easier. Mistake number 7, waiting for one day. I'll save money one day. I'll start investing one day. I'll learn about finance one day. That day rarely comes. Small actions today are far more valuable than perfect plans tomorrow. Your future depends on what you do now, not what you promise yourself you'll do later. You don't need a huge salary to build wealth. You just need better habits. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe to Velor Finance for simple animated videos that make finance easy to understand. Thanks for watching.